Hi everyone, this is Achal Soni. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about custom number formats, which means changing the display of a number as per your convenience and requirement. As you can see here, I have three columns. All three columns represent profit only, but in different formats, and none of these are calculated fields. I have directly used the format option which we get by right clicking a field. So in this first column you can see that there's a plus sign prefixed to the positive numbers, which you don't get by default. By default you get to display only the minus sign in front of the negative values. In this second column you can see profit is designated in the form of a string, which is profit and loss. And in the third column you can see there are arrows which displays whether the profit is above 0 or below 0. And we'll also discuss the rest other formats apart from these. So let's get started. So I'll be building the same visualization. I'm using subcategory profit, profit loss, and up down. Switching to entire view. Alright, so as you can see, let me switch off the tooltip first. Alright, so as you can see, all the three fields are a copy of each other. Now one by one we are going to change the formats. Always remember, whenever you want to change the format, try to change the formats of the fields which are there in your visualization. From here, don't change the formats from your data pane, because that format would be applicable whenever that field is used the next time. So keep your visualizations customized. So I'm going to profit. I'll right click and format numbers, and I'll go to custom. Now here I want to display a plus sign in front of the positive values. So how do we do that? Just remember, with custom formats there are three parts which can be separated by a semicolon. So your first part means positive values, second part means negative values, and third part means your zero values. So for positive values we need a plus sign, then we need a dollar sign, and then we need the number. So a hash represents the number. If you want to include a thousand separator, then insert a comma and then put a hash again. So now we'll do the same for the negative values. We'll put a minus sign here. Again, we'll put the dollar sign. We'll put hash, comma, hash. Right? And for zero values, if you want to display something, you can go ahead and do that. Maybe put a simple zero. If you want to show these values up to certain decimal places, then just make sure that put a dot here and then put a hash. So let's do the same for negative values. So that's how your decimal values are also getting computed. If you want to display the value up to two decimal places, put two hash here. Alright, so this was about showing a plus sign. Now let's go and show a number format in string. So I'll go to profit loss format, custom. So similar to that, since this is a string, so it should be enclosed within double quotes, profit, a semicolon, and then loss. Again a semicolon, none. Alright. With up and down arrows. I'll go to format, custom, and here again you can copy paste arrows or whatever symbols you want in enclosed within your double quotes. So putting a double quote here, and I'll open a website, jrgraphics.net. So this website will allow you to have your shapes or symbols in text format. So you can simply copy paste from here. Let's go semicolon, and I want to show a down arrow. A semicolon, and maybe if you want to show double dash here for zeros, you can see the changes are in place. Now let's see that how you can change the colors of these measure values separately. So just bring your measure values to color. You can see a color legend has appeared, but since you want different colors for each of these columns, right click over measure values here and click on use separate legends. So now you can separately change the color for all the columns that you have. Let's go here and let's put the first one to black. I have this black color palette over here. You won't be having it because I have created a custom color palette. If you want more details about custom color palette, then follow my video on the same. The link is there in the description. Alright. And for profit loss, maybe you want to show red and green diverging stepped color, and let's put it to 2 steps. You can change these colors as well. It's totally up to you. And the same for up down arrows we'll do. Alright. So I hope till here the customization is clear to you. You can also convert a number into a date format. So let's check that as well. Go to format and custom, and instead of this write your date format, which can be DT, MM, YYY maybe. You have to just ensure that the field which you are using yields the right numbers that later gets converted into the expected dates. Also, if you want to exclude the value for 0 or you don't want it, you can simply just use the customizations for positive and negative values. There can be other formats as well. Just go and give it a try. Check for your 1000 separators. Try to add more hashes to your customized value and see what result it yields. That's all for this video. Thank you.